Hi everyone, this is Jubel, and in this video, I walk you through how to upload contacts in GoHighLevel, both in bulk using a CSV file and manually. So let's get started. So before we begin importing contacts, there are a few important things to check to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, make sure you have admin access. Only admins are allowed to import contacts in GoHighLevel. Next, confirm all contacts have been given consent to be contacted. This is essential for staying compliant with messaging and email regulations. Then, prepare a clean and well-formatted CSV file. So you should remove any duplicate entries, make sure phone numbers are formatted correctly, and check your column headers match GoHighLevel's built-in fields like name, phone, and email. Lastly, if your file includes fields that don't exist by default in GoHighLevel, like birthday or let's say company size, create those custom fields in GoHighLevel before starting the import. Now, let's move on to the actual steps. First, go to the Contacts tab on the left sidebar. So, at the buttons, click the Import Contacts button. So, first, you will be asked to select between contacts and opportunities. So, let's select contacts. After that, you will be asked to upload a CSV file. So, choose the file you have prepared. Once uploaded, you'll see a screen where you map each CSV column to the correct field. So here, GoHighLevel might auto-match some of them, so just review and adjust accordingly. On the next page, you can also apply tags, add contacts to a smart list, or even trigger a workflow automatically during the import. So before clicking Start Bulk Import, double-check again that all contacts have given their consent. You will be prompted to check the checkbox below that you confirm that all contacts in this import have given their consent. Once you start the import, you can go back to the contacts main page, track the progress under bulk actions in the navigation bar. Now, you can see that we have successfully imported the contacts. Now, let's start adding a single contact manually. To add one contact at a time, click the plus sign at the top right of the contacts page. At minimum, you need to fill out the first name or either email or phone number. You can also include optional details like last name, contact type such as lead or customer, time zone, tags or custom fields. So, click Save and the new contact will be created. You will be redirected to their contact profile where you can add more information or track activity. And that's it. Now we know how to upload contacts into GoHighLevel like a pro. So if you found this helpful, feel free to like, comment, or reach out with any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.